The seventh part of speech is the conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins words or groups of words. Our essential question is, how do I punctuate a coordinating conjunction, which is the first one we're going to look at, and create parallelism? Con means with. Junction means an intersection. These words are an intersection. They are joining other words. In particular, the coordinating conjunction is joining words or groups of words of equal grammatical weight. That's why it says coordinating, equal in weight and order. Page 438 in your textbook has more information if you would like to refer to it. The coordinating conjunctions are but, and, yet, or, nor, for, and so. They create compound situations. Compound subject, Jim and Sarah plan to go to the prom. Compound predicates, I danced and sang for the competition. Compound predicate adjectives, I am tired but happy. Predicate nominatives, she is both secretary and treasurer for the organization. Compound direct objects, I called the hospital and the doctor. Or, last of all, compound sentences. Now, compound sentences, if the coordinating conjunction joins clauses, that means sentences. The sentence is a compound sentence. The coordinating conjunction will require a comma before it if it is joining two sentences. If it is not joining two sentences, then there is no punctuation. If it is joining two sentences, there's a comma before it. The sentence pattern would be subject plus verb plus coordinating conjunction with that little comma plus subject plus verb. A simple sentence is just subject and verb. The adjectives, adverbs, phrases, these are just icing on the cake. This is the basic pattern. If it's compound, you're going to have two of this subject plus verb, subject plus verb. The analogy is a marriage. There are two parties who are agreeing together, both as equal adults, to come together in a joint situation. Examples. We decided to go to the store, and then we changed our minds. Subject, verb, conjunction, subject, verb. There's the pattern. He saw the danger, but he did not select a different route. Subject, verb, subject, verb. Another one. We will go to Carowinds for vacation, or we will visit somewhere local. Same pattern. Now here's a non-example. We came for help, but were frustrated during tutoring. Why is there no comma in this one? Well, we have a subject, we have a verb, we have a conjunction. Oh, right here we go right into the verb. There is no subject there. So it is not compound, and the conjunction does not have a comma. Another non-example. Greg and Mark planned and directed the event. Well, we have two subjects and two verbs. Why is this a non-example? Subject, subject, verb, verb. Notice the sentence pattern is wrong. It is not S plus V conjunction S plus V. This is a simple sentence with compound subjects and compound predicates, but it is not a compound sentence. Time to practice. Okay. Woohoo! We're going to diagram these now. When I finish this little short video, go ahead and do 3 through 5 on the worksheet on your own. But let me first show you how to do this. Okay. He hit the ball, but he did not make it to first base. Let's put something simpler. He did not get to first base. That'll be easier. All right, let's diagram this. Here we go. You're used to this one. He hit, there's our verb, transitive verb, so we have a direct object. He hit what? The ball. Okay, this is nothing new. You're used to this. Now, we said we have two sentences with a compound sentence. So, he did not get to first base would be our other sentence. Line them up exactly the same. He, now we have a verb phrase here, did get. Not is our adverb, negative adverb. To, prepositional phrase. And then first goes down here. I'm just going to abbreviate that. Now, we have but joining them. But is our conjunctive adverb, coordinating conjunction. So this is the way you do a compound sentence. You have each sentence on its own stick. Then you dot, 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 straight line. Notice I'm joining the verbs. It touches one verb, ends with another verb, and I put the coordinating conjunction right here. But that's how simple it is to do a compound sentence. We just did the two different sentence sticks, and then we joined them with the coordinating conjunction. All right, now you practice these examples, and I'm going to give you time to do that, and then do 3 through 5 on your worksheet. I want you to do the first 3 actual examples. Let me give you a minute. You can pause it right here, and then you can come back to it to see the answers, and I'll show them on the screen. Here's the first example. We decided what? To go. Here's our infinitive. Where? To the store. Prepositional phrase. But we changed our minds. Direct object. Then answers when, so put it underneath the verb. Let's go to the next one. Here is our second one. He saw the danger, but he did select, not as the adverb, a different route. Let's look at the next one. And here's the final one. We will go, verb phrase, to Carowinds. Why? For vacation. Or we will select what? Another amusement describes the direct object, park. Now, let's practice comma usage. She ran quickly to help him, but was stopped by the crowd. Do we need a comma there? Subject plus verb, conjunction. Oh, no subject, no comma. She ran quickly to help him, but the crowd around him was too thick. She, subject, verb, conjunction, subject, verb. Yes, we need a comma there. Either you decide to clean your room or you will be grounded. Subject, verb, conjunction, subject, verb. Yep, we need a comma there. Last slide. This one is on the whole point of why we're learning some of this, which is to create parallel structure when we're writing. This is one of the things we want to learn. You want to keep all the parts on either side of a coordinating conjunction the same part of speech or the same part of the sentence, especially if they are a list. Let's make this parallel. We planned on cleaning the beach house, ordering new supplies, and then to jump into the ocean. Okay, you can see we have a little problem here. Whoops, we've got more than one problem. Here we go. We planned on, here we go, cleaning the beach house, ordering new supplies, and then to jump into the ocean. All right, we have cleaning, ordering, and now we need another gerund, which instead of the infinitive to jump, would be jumping. Let's try another one. The character is manipulative and never does what he says he will. Here we have an adjective. Now we have this long verb with a clause in it. It's just kind of going on. Let's put an adjective just that says exactly what this means. The character is manipulative and untrustworthy. Never does what he says he will. This is keeping it parallel. We have adjective, adjective. Now we have gerund, gerund, gerund. Whenever you use a coordinating conjunction, typically it will be the word and. Keep the whole list parallel in the part of speech. Thanks for today. We'll see you next time.